CLI, so I could, Supreme Court lets you talk in court, but you have to have a lawyer with you. I did that for a while with Larry. Then I became a lawyer. Once I passed the bar, I became a lawyer at the public defender's office. And as I was a public defender, I decided I was going to go and practice pretty quickly, you know, because I knew I wanted to be in my own business and do all that. As soon as I tried enough cases, I went out. And as I was going out, I remember the prosecutor in the court goes to me, "Hey, Danny, you're going out in private practice, right?" I go, "Yeah." He goes, "Well, you should talk to this guy." And he points to like the row of lawyers where everybody sits. The private lawyers are waiting to get called up for their cases. And he points to Michael. And I go, "Why?" He goes, "Well, because I don't think Michael worked at the prosecutor's office or the public defender's office, and he's a very busy private attorney. Maybe he can give you some pointers." So I walk up and I go, "Hey, I hear I'm supposed to meet you. My name's Danny Rosenberg. How are you?" And Michael goes, "Danny?" And I go, "Do I know you?" And you're like, "Dude, yeah, you fucking know me, man." I'm like, "How do I know you?" And he goes, "You're my fucking lawyer. You and Larry were my lawyer, remember?"
Yeah.
And
It was, what was it, March 5th, 2005 or something
It was
like
March
that.
5th, really?
Yeah, March 5th.
Yeah, dude. So what, you got hit you got in a fight with your wife and she hit you in the face with a frying pan?
Something to that effect.
Yeah, Michael has a tumultuous history with his ex-wife, but we're not going to get into that.
No,
But go ahead.
please.
Well, that morning, we're sitting there doing we're public defenders, and we're
Right.
sitting there doing the intakes. In domestic violence at the time, they do their own magistrate. Everyone else goes to a different magistrate judge, but they do their own magistrate. So you get everybody in there that's coming in, what we call a uniform, the wife beater T-shirt, for the night before, whatever
Uniform.
it is. Rappers, football players, everyone who get arrested that night before for
It could
domestic
be like
are
anybody.
in court every day that way.
Right,
So
right.
it's a little hectic. We're filling out applications for public defenders. Danny walks over to me, "Hey, this guy says he's got court in Miami." I said, "Well, he ain't gonna make it. He's here today. He got arrested last night."
Right, right.
Comes back a few minutes later. No, he says he's got court in Miami today.
Like he's the lawyer.
He's the lawyer. I
He's
go,
the lawyer, and he
"Look
has
up."
court. We had trial.
I had
He
a trial. I was like,
He's got
I-
trial
Judge.
tomorrow. And Larry's like, "Get the fuck out of here." I'm like, "I swear."
So
So
I
go
didn't look
ahead.
up. Now I look up, and here we are 20 years later.
I was, it was, who was it?
Judge, I don't want to name
I can't
names,
say-
right?
sorry.
But it was a judge of domestic who'd been there for a long
and
time.
I went ahead and I said, I was like, "Judge, I've got a trial in front of this judge in Miami tomorrow. So if you could just like let me out right now, I'll turn myself back in."
The fucking funniest part is how I forgot about all this, dude. That's how fucked up we are. The stories that we have just
How did Cohen refer to him every time since then?
Every time I come in, he'd be like,
in the future,
Yeah.
the next appearances, right?
He'd be like, "Mr. Dyer, are we representing someone today?"
Or the defendant.
Are you here on behalf of someone or yourself?